check out today's video. You guys, I have been feeling so overwhelmed lately. Like, I have so many videos I need to put out, so much work that needs to be done, and I'm just like, you know what? I should stop feeling overwhelmed. I should feel excited. I should feel happy that I have the opportunity to do this. So I'm getting started today. I am going to try my best to put out a video every day, okay, you guys? I am going to try. So make sure you are following me on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness with 3 S's at the end on Instagram and 2 S's at the end on Facebook. Yeah, just make sure you're subscribed to this channel because I'm just like recommitting myself to just doing more and doing everything above and beyond. So if you're with me, 2020 is about to be a crazy wild ride and you don't want to miss it. So subscribe. Alright, you guys, so today I do have a wig from Janet Collection. It's from their Natural Me collection. It's a lace wig and it is in the style Amani. And I have this wig in the number 2. So this wig is a deep part lace wig and yeah, it has ear-to-ear soft lace and it's specially made for the perfect naturalista. So I'm excited about this unit. It's definitely reminding me of a wig that I reviewed in the past, but this was a half wig. I think it was the Boss Lady wig or something like that. So it's definitely giving me like Boss Lady type of vibes, at least in the picture anyway. This is my first time opening up the package. Oh, it's cute. It has really pretty curls in it that I may fluff out. But I feel like if you fluff it out, it's definitely gonna like grow and get big. But I still think it could be cute. Very natural. The texture is very natural. It has like that really nice blow dried natural hair type of vibe. And it's definitely serving like raw set realness. Very bouncy, lightweight. This is like black girl hair right here. I definitely feel like it's black girl hair. Obviously fuller and thicker, but definitely beautiful. The length is cute. So let's take a look at the stock card. So the stock card has both options if you want to wear it just straight out the pack the way it is, or if you want to comb out or brush out the curls. So I love this color number 2. It is absolutely beautiful. Looking at it, you can see like the browns and the blacks, the way they play together. I love color number 2, color number 4. If you've never tried one before, I would definitely urge you to try it in the sunlight. Like, it looks so beautiful. I absolutely love number 2 and number 4. So let me go ahead and stop running my mouth. I'm going to cut the lace off of this wig and then I will be right back. All right, so I have already laid down my own baby hairs. I've been doing that a lot more lately and I definitely like the results of that. I feel like a little bit better, so I'm definitely going to be doing that probably more often. So yeah, that's what I did. I have on a brown wig cap and my hair is braided down. Not super small braids, so we'll see how it goes. But this one is like puffy and natural, so it probably won't matter here. Honestly, I feel like this isn't even a wig you like super need baby hairs for anyway. This wig is cute. It's very full. It's definitely very full. I don't know that I would wear it like so perfect looking like this. I feel like it's a little too perfect. Like, even if I did a roller set on my own hair, I doubt I would wear it like this. I am going to take a picture with it like this though, so that I could show both ways on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's at Jess the Dragoness. So I think I'm going to just take a quick picture. Actually, let me add a little bit of powder. I added a little bit of powder off camera, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and take a picture real quick. Okay, so I took a couple pictures. So now I definitely want to just grab a wide tooth comb and just kind of tease this a little bit. Now, of course, when you do this, the wig is going to get bigger, okay? So beware, if you don't want it to get bigger, do not do this, because this is definitely going to make the unit just get a little more out of control. But I just don't know that I like it so perfect. Maybe even just like pulling a couple of them apart. Like, it just looks a little too perfect for my taste. And I mean, I wouldn't go through it with a comb because you don't want to, you know, make your wig look old too fast. But you also just don't want it so perfect, because it just doesn't look normal. It looks unnormal and unnatural for it to be too perfect. And I feel like this is a little tad bit too long right here by my face. Yeah, I want that a little shorter by my face, like right by my eye. I just want it a little shorter. Yeah. There we go. Like, you want it to frame your face a little bit better. This wig is so cute. The more I kind of just touch it, the more I like it. So, you know, curly wigs, you want to work with them a little bit, because they're not going to come out the pack like loving. You're not going to love them straight out the pack. You have to love on your curly wigs a little bit, because they're just not going to be you. You know, it's manufactured. For it to be you, you have to kind of embrace it and play with it a little bit, you know. I love how this is looking now. This is way more my speed. Okay, how about I put the scissors down before I stab myself? Cute. I definitely am loving this look a lot better. I almost feel like I could do without the baby hairs, to be honest, without my own baby hairs. But here we are, so we're not gonna get too caught up. Love this wig, you guys. Absolutely love. This wig is serving me like Whitney Houston realness. I want to dance with somebody type of tease. You know that song, like, you're definitely winning. Hey, I want to dance with somebody. I want to feel the heat with somebody. If I knew how to sing, you guys, like, God knew what he was doing, because if I could sing, I promise you, you would not be able to tell me nothing. Nothing. God was like, can't give one person everything. Okay, so just stick with YouTube, sis. You can't sing, but you can try. You guys, this is so cute. I love this wig. I would definitely suggest this unit. Like, this unit is everything. If you have leave out, you could work with it. You don't have leave out, you could work with it. If you have edges, you can work with it. If you don't, like, it's just a lot about this unit that I love. I love that it's natural. It's like your hair, but you don't have to fool around with your hair to do this. You know, if you put a rod set in your hair, like, it would just take forever. But like, this is a perfect alternative. Lightweight, bouncy. Like, it just moves and is just giving all types of life. Like, it's giving me life. What do you guys think about this wig? I think it is super cute. So yes, Janet collection, Amani is definitely a winner. I know I'm late to the game. This wig has been out for a minute, but here we are. I made it before the end of the year. Here is Miss Amani for your viewing pleasure, okay? And she is Dragoness approved. Check marks the spot. Yes, Dragoness approves Miss Amani. She is everything. Very cute. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about Janet collection Amani. I think she is super duper cute. I absolutely love it. Have you tried this wig? Are you gonna grab her? I'll link down below a couple places where you can get her. I don't know if she's sold out or still available or whatever, but I will definitely link some places down below where you can grab her. Let me know any wigs that I've missed that I haven't reviewed. I know there's a couple that I have my eye on that I'm definitely going to get my hands on and review for you guys, but let me know of any that you would like to see me in and you'd like to hear my thoughts. I'm definitely here for you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. If you like this video, share it with a friend, share it with a family member, share it with your mama, okay? Share it with your mama. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.